everybody, it's your girl Kim. I'm back again with another video, y'all. Today's video is going to be on bar soap. Y'all know I absolutely love bar soap. When it comes to what body care I use in the shower, I absolutely love bar soap. So y'all, I seen this soap on Joanne's channel, and when I seen it, I knew I had to have it. So I went to Walmart. I purchased 3 of them. This Nudy Rudy soap. I think this is new out. I think it's new to Walmart. I think the company has been out for a little while, but I think they're just getting inside of Walmart. So I did grab 3 of the soaps: Wasabi Pear, Honey Bunny, and Milk Bar. All of these soaps is made with shea butter, and this one is made with goat milk. And y'all know I absolutely love soap with goat milk. That has to be really like my #1 pick when it comes to buying like luxury soaps. I always reach for the goat's milk soap, always. So I was happy to see that they had this one, the goat milk soap mixed with the shea butter, which was the first one I had to try. Very moisturizing, really nice. The lather on all of these, well, I haven't used the Honey Bunny one yet, which is Manuka honey with shea butter. I haven't used that one yet. But as far as the Wasabi and Pear, I use that one, and I also use this one. So this is what the soap actually looks like. It has the logo or the branding on the bar. As you see, it's like a puck size. It's very comfortable in the hand. As you see, it's about your palm size. Very comfortable in the shower. Easy to hold. It doesn't slip out your hand. But this one left my body very moisturized. When I first got out the shower, I was not ashy. The soap did not leave me like squeaky clean. You know how sometimes you could use a soap and you get out the shower, you're instantly ashy, and I mean like really ashy. This soap didn't do that. This one was very moisturizing. I scratched my arm to see if it would leave like the little scratch mark. It did not. It was very moisturizing. I didn't have to put lotion on, because that's one way that I test the soap, is after I use it, I don't use any oils or lotions or anything, because I really want to see how moisturizing is the soap. This one was really good. And I think it's because it has that goat milk. As far as the Wasabi and Pear, this one left me a little ashy. Not that squeaky clean ashy, but I most definitely needed lotion. And it was just a light ash, you know. So that tells me it did moisturize a little bit, but it just wasn't enough. Again, the lather was nice. Thick lather, silky, soft feeling. I didn't have any problems with the soap rinsing off my body. As far as the scent, again, I haven't used this one, but smelling it in the box, it smells slightly sweet. It smells a little bit like honey. But as far as the Wasabi and Pear, very light scent. So if you are sensitive to fragrances, then this is the soap to get, because the scent is very light. It does not stick with you when you get out the shower. You do not smell it on you. As far as this one was unscented. No scent at all. It just smelled like soap. I think that's the only issue I have with this company. For me, I just like a heavier scented soap. It does not have to linger or stay on me, but while I'm using it, I really like to smell the scent of the soap. And for me, it was very light. Again, nice. It lathered with no issues. It rinsed off with no issues. When I got out the shower, it wasn't like a squeaky clean. My skin didn't feel like super tight where I had to hurry up and put lotion on. None of that. So the shea butter in this soap does help it. So it is moisturizing, but I feel like out of the two that I tried, I feel like this the one has the most shea butter, I guess. So yeah, I enjoyed it. I think it's like 5 of these, and I just grabbed 3 out of the 5. Sea salt, and then I think it was the other one was a eucalyptus. I didn't want those 2, so I just went with these 3. I just love the packaging. I love the fact that it has these bold letters. I love that, and I love the bright colors. That's what attracted me to this, is because I just love the packaging. I love these bold colors, and I love the bold writing. But again, I wish the scent was a little bit stronger. Yeah, very light. So I probably would buy another one, maybe. I'm still kind of on the fence. I'm gonna still try it out. Out of the 2 that I've used, I really like the Milk Bar more, just because it moisturized my body a little bit better, a little bit more. Whereas this one, I like the scent. It gave me more of a pear scent. I'm not sure what wasabi smells like. I don't even think wasabi has a scent, I don't think. If you know what wasabi smell like, put that down in the comment. Only thing I know about wasabi is hot. Wasabi ain't nothing to play with, I'm just saying. But you get more of a pear scent with this one. This one is basically unscented, so this will be really good if you are sensitive to fragrances. This will be good for you. And as far as this one has like a honey scent, a sweet scent. But again, all of these is gonna be light. It's nice. It's a nice soap. So I'm on the fence about if I will buy another one. I don't know. I really like the Milk Bar. I love the size. I love the way it lathered. I love the way my skin felt after I got out the shower. It's just the size and the price point for me. You know, 4 ounce for under $5. 4.2 ounce under $5. I don't know. So that's my take on this Nudy Rudy soap. So don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments. Let me know, have you seen these soaps in Walmart? Have you tried them, the soaps? If you have, which one is your favorite? Do you feel like they're very moisturizing, or do you just feel like it's just your typical soap, nothing special? Leave that down in the comments, because I want to know. This is a new brand out. This is my first time trying this soap. I'm just trying to see what everybody else think about this new soap that's on the market. So leave those comments down at the bottom. Again, subscribe, follow me on all of my social media platforms. Use or follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks. Also hit the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post a video. And I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, peace.